good, see?
A prophet, my scripts get fulfilled like prophecies. Swerving mad black rovers, fuck being sober. Said he was a psycho and my mama bipolar. Fuck, I'm losing